Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is your friendly neighborhood trader Ankan. I hope you are doing well. This is the monthly reading for Libra or Tula Rashi Sun Moon Rising for the month of July 2025. This is a general reading based on collective energies, so it may or may not resonate with you. If it doesn't resonate with you, you can check out the reading for your other signs. If you don't know how to check your other signs, you can check out my previous video on zodiac signs. Link is in the description below. And do stick to the end of the video to know your monthly oracle guidance card for this month. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Now let's look at the reading and energies for Libra or Tula Rashi for the month of July 2025. So Libra, the energies kind of show me this is going to be quite work related kind of thing for you this month. So yeah, I see a lot of working together with people, a lot of connections being formed. Things are going to work out, or things are going to balance in your professional life and your career. This could also mean if you're collaborating with someone on a project or anything as of sort. This could mean you collaborating with more people, coming together with more people with common interests, and making things happen. Now, the another energies that is showing me is the Ace of Pentacles. So, a new beginning for many of you when it comes to your career, as well as business and projects, and something you feel passionate towards. Definitely, some sort of new source of income is gonna come your way this month. If you have been looking for a job, this is a sign that the opportunities are gonna come to us. So that is the reason why for your career and finances you get the 6 of Wands. So you are gonna get recognized, you are gonna get appreciated, you are gonna get success. This is very much a success card. So for many of you, success is definitely gonna come your way this month. You are gonna get you know noticed by people. People are going to award you, to celebrate you for your efforts, for your success, okay, for your achievements overall. Now, when it comes to your love and romance and overall relationship, there is a opportunity or a choice that is being provided to you by the universe, and this is for some of you at least. It is moving on, leaving your previous baggages behind, and uplifting yourself from that emotional uh, trauma or emotional disbalance that you had in your life. This is the opportunity that is that is coming our way this month to lift you up of this not so good energies. So now for some of you, this could also mean a proposal. For some of you, this could mean marriage. And if you're married, this could mean you know um, your marriage and your relationship with your partner turning better, improving in a way. Your partner realizing a lot of things, their mistakes and their shortcomings, and they are going to facilitate that ground, that common ground between you two, so that you guys can sort things out. So yeah, love wise, it's a very good, nice kind of energies, warm kind of energies, a very liberating kind of energies for most of you. And when it comes to your health, I see you not making much progress, which is not always a bad thing, but things are gonna stay, the way they are currently. Not much highs and lows when it comes to that, but yeah, but definitely I see you guys putting some thought into your health on how to improve it, or how to get by on things related to your health, on issues related to illness. And also for some of you, this could mean you are looking to make some investments in your health. You might be willing to join a gym or take up a yoga session or a Zumba class or something of that sort. But I see you guys planning to do so. You guys are contemplating whether I should do gym or invest my time and effort and money in something that will eventually improve my health. Now, for the other energies that is there, you get the Ace of Cups. So for some of you, again, like I said, proposal, marriage, pregnancy related news, as well as someone new coming into your life. If you are married, expect pregnancy and expect healthier relationship with your partner. If things have turned sour between you and your partner, this could mean things getting back to normal again. A good kind of energies, a very positive and refreshing kind of energies for you this month. Now, the other energies is I see you being very much in a state where you feel like this is basically your card, the Queen of Swords. So I see you being very much straightforward with people, very much a very no nonsense kind of attitude towards life. And I also see you, ready to cut people off if you need to. If things are not working out for you, if people are not, uh, you know, uh, what should I say, like, not in the best of their aspects when it comes to you, people are trying to bullshit you. So definitely, I see you cutting people off, people who you don't need in your life anymore. Now, the I also see you trying to hold on to a lot of things. Try not hold on, but try not taking action towards something and trying to look at things a new way, trying to gain a new perspective on things. You are trying to, things didn't work out how you thought they would if you focused on one point of view. So now you, after that realization, I see you doing that exactly, and holding yourself back a bit, and trying to gain more wisdom, trying to understand things better, and diving deep. Now the thing or the energy that you should focus upon this month is the world. So what you should focus upon is completion and starting anew. If things are coming together for you, things are completing for you in one or more than one aspect of your life, and the universe is basically asking you to close a chapter of your life that you feel or that you know that needs to be closed because it has uh, you know uh, it has been fulfilled, it has been done, and there is no need for that in your life. And this is the energy that is kind of telling you to start afresh and leave, not just leave, but completion has happened, and now you need to move on to the next cycle of your life. Now let's look at what the oracle cards or messages or advice is coming your way for this month, Libra. Yeah, so you get intuition. Each person's road to the inner Lord is extraordinary and personal. How liberating to listen, insight, and sense moment to moment what's needed. So you need to focus on your intuition. You need to form a connection with your intuition, with your subconscious, and this in turn will lead you to a more stable kind of position in your life. Listen to your intuition because in most cases we are very much disconnected from our intuition, from our subconscious. And the moment you connect to your intuition, your subconscious, is when you will uh, automatically know what to do in life, how to approach life, what steps need to be taken. And this is divine guidance coming your way through your own intuition and subconscious. So, for Libra, this would be all for your reading for this month. And I hope you like the reading and it resonated with you. If it resonated with you, do like the video, and to claim the reading, do leave a comment in the comment section. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you can get more of such readings in the coming future. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care, and adios.